Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be giving you guys the latest update on Blum mining app. So guys, there are two updates that you need to take note of. The first one is you have to reconnect your wallet on Blum. So if you've connected your wallet before, there are some issues that happen in the Blum app that will require you to reconnect your wallet, to reconnect your Tom wallet to this Blum app. So guys, now let me tap on wallet. You can see the wallet icon there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. And by the way, before I go ahead now to show you guys the latest updates on Blum, if you're here to start mining Blum, you have the opportunity now to start mining it. What you have to do now is to go over to the description of this video. You're going to see the join link, the invite link. Tap on the link, they will be directed to Telegram. There you can then start mining Blum and getting rewards. So guys, that being said, let me go ahead now to tap on the wallet icon. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the notification down there. You can see what's written there. They said, please reconnect your wallet due to a tech upgrade in the app. So guys, now you can see the Blum app is having an issue, so now they are asking everyone to actually reconnect their Ton wallet. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on reconnect wallet. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, leveling up. Connect your wallets to access upcoming crypto features. Our team is working hard to bring them to you soon. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on connect wallet down there. You can see it, let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, connect your wallet. So guys, what you have to do now is to decide which wallet that you want to connect to this Blum mining app. So I can decide to connect my Telegram wallet, or I can decide to connect any Tom wallet that I have. You can see down there, you can see that encircled area. You can decide to connect whichever one that you have. You can connect your Tom keeper, you can connect your Tom hub, you can connect my Tom wallet. Whichever one that you have, you're good to go. So guys, let me tap on open wallet in Telegram. I want to use my Telegram Tom wallet, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Blum wants to connect to Ton Space. So let me give it access. Let me tap on connect wallet down there. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see Blum now connected to Ton Space. So guys, now you can see my wallet now is now active. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. You can see my wallet address. So guys, now this is the first update. So guys, now let me go over to the second update. The second update is that you can now actually refer more than 10 persons to this Blum app, to your Blum mining app. You know, earlier on Blum, you can only invite 10 persons. You can only invite 10 friends. But now you can invite more than 10 friends. Let me tap on the friends section. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the number of friends that I have. You can see the number of friends I've invited. You can see it 10. You can see it. Earlier on you can only invite 10, but now you can invite more than 10. Let me show you guys how you can go about it. So what you have to do now is to tap on tags. You can see the tag section there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, under this tag section, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. Let me scroll to the bottom. Let me keep scrolling. Let me keep scrolling. Okay guys, now you can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see what is written there. It is written invite 100 friends. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. If you also look down, you're going to see where it is written invite 50 friends as well. And also if you go down again, you're going to see where it is written invite 25 friends. So guys, now you can see you can now invite more than 10 friends on Blum mining app. So guys, can see the one down there, 10 friends, which is the initial one, which is the cap, which is the highest I can actually invite on Blum at the initial stage. But now you can invite up to 100 friends. So guys, now you can see it. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to share your invite links, share your affiliate link, your referral link to various persons, so that you can claim more points, so that you can claim more Blum points on your Blum mining app. You can see the reward for inviting 100 friends is 10,000 Blum points, which is actually huge. You can see for 50 friends you're going to get 3,000 Blum points. So guys, now these are you can actually get more friends and get more reward on Blum. So guys, now these are the two latest updates on Blum mining app. So I've been able now to give you guys the latest updates, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, see you in the next upload on Blum mining app. Bye, peace.